Hi, this is Gail. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm back with some fab tags and I would like to share three different designs. I'll start with the center one. This one is from Tracie Fox's layered tags or tag layers uh, tags. And so I use that background and obviously some big crocheted lace, music paper. This is actually a type of, I don't think it's washi tape, uh, but anyhow, a form of tape, another one of those lace flowers, a little label saying altered, and some more ephemera, piece of cloth in here. Sorry about the shadows, trying to eliminate them, but just not always happening, okay? And so then on the back, I simply used I believe it's a French cursive writing stamp, the script, and put that on, and of course did a little bit of distressing around the edges. So there's the first tag. Super simple but fun. And I love the layering, it helps. It adds a lot. Then this one is using up a bunch of my Tim Holtz papers. I'll show you the back. So this was the base, the one that has a lot of tickets on it. And I have these little goodies that you can put in with a brad. This is sort of the Matchbox type little notepad. Now, I did not design any of these. I don't remember where I saw the videos on these, but I guarantee you that it was probably either Tracie or Andrea from Artymaze, Tracie from Tracie Fox, um, the Foxy Crafters, or could be Wendy from Wendy's Journal Adventures, but those would be my top guesses for where I got the design from. So as you can see, just a little notepad in here, and these are just cut-offs. And so then behind the little notepad, you have a pocket with two different tags. This is pretty plain, just use my whale tail tab and punch. And that goes back in. Sure it does. It's crooked, so it's getting stuck there. And then over here, a smaller little tag. There it is. And again, this is just using up my leftovers of Tim Holtz papers, my cutoffs, what was left when I cut down pages for a journal. Last one, this one is using some packaging, as you can see, and it is a belly band. And this was kind of cool because this is a dictionary page, and I found one that had airplane on it. And so that was kind of cool. And since this was all about travels, so you will see explorers on there. And these are some traveling papers. And if you flip it over, the belly band went all the way around, which I liked. And then some more of the travel papers that you can use as a journaling card. Okay, so I thought those were kind of fun, and I wanted to share those with you today as part of the Fab Tag. Just some ideas for some different designs that I have come across in the past and just sort of thought, oh, I remember those. I need to make some of those. And so, indeed, I did. So, three different tags to add to the 30-day collection. So I hope you will check out Andrea from Artymaze and Tracie from Tracie Fox, the Foxy Crafters. And check them out on Facebook, check out their YouTube channels, and you will find loads of ideas of how to make some really cool tags. And they have out a new kit working on some more tags using their new kits as well. So have a great day. Get out there and make something and create. Bye.